You've been looking for a way to quickly build a web application in Python to display your data and AI projects, and you discovered Streamlit, a popular library to quickly build interactive data web apps in a few lines of Python code. By getting started, easy to follow, and you're quickly showing your work to your manager, customers, stakeholders, and finally getting the recognition you deserve. But as you dive deeper, you realize Streamlit has so much more to offer. It can be difficult to pave your way in that massive ecosystem and community. Enter the new version of the official Streamlit book by Tyler Richards. This book takes a practical, hands-down approach to teach you all of the tips and tricks to master Streamlit. In a matter of hours, you will have built a lot of classical data science problems like the central limit theorem, the distribution of Palmer penguins, exploring trees in San Francisco, and parameterizing your own penguin ML classifier. And after integrating Hugging Face models and OpenAI calls, you'll realize you're still at the easy parts. As the book pulls you into deploying your apps to Streamlit Cloud, Hugging Face Spaces, and Heroku, then it builds more complex features over the previous examples, saving button clicks into session state or setting up a multi-page app. It flies around different layout elements like columns, sidebar, and tabs to arrange your San Francisco trees app. Then it unveils complex widgets like editable data frame, a few community-built Streamlit components, and connecting to Snowflake and BigQuery. Finally, you'll be browsing 3 larger-scale data projects you could actually have as take-home exercises in job interviews. Before ending with beautiful notes for members of the Streamlit community, like myself. Anyway, hey data fans! I skimmed through the book and it really speaks to multiple levels of Streamlit expertise. The first chapters are beginner friendly. As long as you know how to manipulate Python variables and loops, you'll be fine. Yet, I do think this book best suits the beginner intermediate Streamlit data enthusiast who wants to build a few Streamlit projects over real-world data while peeking into the thought process of a long-term Streamlit fan. It would suit anyone who prefers project-based learning instead of endlessly scrolling the forum for tips or watching my epic Streamlit video. So if this interests you, I'm doing a giveaway and we'll have 5 books sent to a random set of you. You can enter the contest if you have subscribed to my channel and leave a comment on this video. Selection will be done around this date displayed here, and if you're late to the party, you can still use the link in the description below to buy the book and support my channel in the process. And there's also a buy me a coffee button if you want to support me without having to buy the book. Or catch up on the latest Streamlit features in this video. Those are not present in the book, so you should check it out.